Microsoft PowerPoint inserting videos. In this video, I will show you how can you easily insert any video in your Microsoft presentation. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to go to Insert option from the Home in Microsoft PowerPoint. After that, towards the end, you will see the option of Media or just Video. After clicking on it, you need to browse the video which you want to include in your PowerPoint presentation. Once you click on it, you need to customize it as you customize a photo in PowerPoint presentation. After including the video, you need to edit options like how you want to play it after by clicking on it or automatically when the slide is on. You have the option to play in a loop or end it once the video is finished. And last but not the least, we can also customize the frame of video just like the photo. And that's all. That is how easily you can include videos in PowerPoint presentation. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.